Alright, so the Zippo truck finally got here, and I only got one Zippo in this order. Let's take a look at it. It's a pretty good one. Now this one arrived in the normal Zippo black box, and it's labeled. Let's see what the label says. Labeled Roy Orbison 75. So this is on a plain black matte colored case, and you can see there this is the 75th commemoration of Roy Orbison's birthday. Now Roy Orbison was born on, let me see, April 23rd, 1936, and he would have been 75 years old in 2011, but he died on December 6, 1988. Now he had one of the most unique sounds ever heard. Let's take a look at this lighter first. You can see it's on a brass case, made in J of 11. So that was the same year as he would have been his birthday. Slippery little guy. Very slippery. But it fires up nice for old Roy. So that is the 75th anniversary of Roy Orbison by Zippo. It's a really nice one. And one other note, this DVD player by Sony that I got a couple of days ago is also a CD player. So I'm going to play just a little bit of the CD I got going to remember Roy Orbison. Okay, that's all I'm going to get away with today, I think. So I'm going to give a little bit of cowbell for Roy Orbison. Knuckle bump.